Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1997 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. Look at the circuit diagram. This is a decoding circuit and it has been used to generate the active low chip select signal for a microprocessor peripheral. And the address lines are given as A0 to A7 are nothing but address lines for the IO address. The peripheral will correspond to IO address in the range. So what is the IO address generated by this diagram that we are going to calculate? Okay, it was given that one active low chip select signal. Active low chip select signal is nothing but this chip select must be equal to 0. So that implies nothing but you are going to get 0 over here. This is NAND gate. So output of NAND gate must be 0 and inputs for this one they must be for a NAND gate output will be 0 only on one condition whenever all of its inputs are ones. So that we are going for the both ones for this one, both inputs are going to be at logic ones, then only output of this two input NAND gate will be 0. So both are going to be ones, that implies nothing but this is XNOR gate whose output must be 1 and it is a simple NOR gate whose output must be 1. Okay, and there are three XNOR gates are going to be available. For that one we are going for the X0, X1, X2, we are naming like this. All are going to be XNOR gates. Okay, and this is NOR gate. This is NOR gate. So, and if you know for the XNOR gate, okay, XNOR gate implies nothing but here X0, X1, X2, they are going to be treated as XNOR gates. Okay, XNOR gate is nothing but it is also called as coincidence gate, and if you are going for the A, B are going to be input, C is output. The output will be 1 only when A and B coincides, that is nothing but A and B are going to be same. So output will be 1 for 0 0 combination and 1 1 combination. Output will be 0 for the A and B not equal. So whenever A and B are complement of each other, by that time output is 0. Okay, so based on this information with respect to X0, output of X0 has to be say 1, that implies nothing but we can get a condition like this. So first condition we will get like this, chip select has to be 0, first condition is nothing but X0 output must be 1, for that one A2 must be equal to A3. Okay, this is first condition, and second condition we can write like this, since NOR gate is going to be at 1, output of NOR gate will be 1 whenever all of its inputs are zeros. All of its inputs are zeros, then only output of NOR gate will be 1. So that implies nothing but output of X1 and output of X2 NOR gate, XNOR gates has to be zeros. If you want to get output of XNOR gate as 0, at that time the inputs must be complement of each other. The inputs must not be the same, so they must be complement of each other. So second condition you can write from the X1 gate, that is nothing but A4 is equal to A5 bar, and third condition you can write A6 is equal to A7 bar. So if you these three conditions satisfies, then we can say that one the chip select generation address is going to be right. So the address we are writing like this, A7, A6, A5, A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. Okay, now first we are going for the 60 because 60 to 63. Okay, 60 to 63 and we are going with 60 first. 60 implies nothing but 0 1 1 0 and this is 0 0 0 0. This is 60, and check about the conditions. The condition for first condition is A2 is equal to A3, A2 is equal to A3, first condition okay. Okay, so first condition is satisfied. Second condition is between A4 and A5, they must be complement of each other, so that second condition is also, this is second condition, it is also satisfied. A4 is 0, A5 is equal to 1, both are complement of each other. Third condition, A6 must be equal to A7 bar, so that A6 and A7 complement of each other, so third condition is also satisfied. Similarly for X63 also you will go for the same thing, 1110 and it is 0011. So both are going to be exactly same except for A1 and A0. A1 and A0 are not part of chip select, So that implies nothing but they will be don't cares. They can be any values. So the right answer for this question is nothing but A itself. The right answer for this question is A. Now we will go for the B. Why? Where it is going to be went wrong, that we will check. Okay. B is nothing but A4. A4. A4 is nothing but B. A4 is nothing but you can write like this. A implies nothing but A is 1010. So A is 1010. 4 implies nothing but 0100. Now the first condition itself for A is going to be went wrong. A2 has to be same as A3, but A2 is 1, A3 is 0. So this cannot be the answer. Even though the second and third condition satisfies, but first condition is not satisfying, so it cannot be the answer. Next, come for 30. Okay, come for 30. 30 is nothing but 30 is 0011. 30 means 0011 is 3 and all zeros is nothing but 0. So here first condition is satisfying and this second condition is not satisfying, because second condition says A4 is equal to complement of A5. That is not going right, so that is not satisfying. So 30 cannot be the answer. Similarly, if you are going for the 70, 70 is 0111 and 0000. Okay, the last one is again one more 0. So again the second condition went wrong, because A4 is equal to A5 for 70 also, so that this is also wrong. The only right option is nothing but A. 60 to 63H is nothing but the address range generated for the peripheral. Thank you.